Hey friends, I am Maddie. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. I won't lie, I have been up for a couple of hours already because I got yesterday's video edited this morning and posted. That will be somewhere in a corner, maybe, if I remember. But today I have to do that pesky bit of extra banking that I talked about, which means I get to do the whole trek over again. But frankly, I feel like you guys have seen enough montage. I don't want to montage you out no matter how beautiful the drive is. So my plan is I'm gonna get changed, then I'm just gonna kind of go off, do my errands, and come back, and we're gonna dye this mop together. So you guys will only have to wait like 2 seconds and I'll be dyeing my hair, but I'm gonna have at least 4 or 5 hours in between now and the next time I see you. So let's go get changed. My favorite part of the day. Greatly enjoy it. Let's see what we're wearing. Whoa! She owns pants! Who'd have thunk it? In all seriousness though, my hair is an absolute mess and is so greasy, so I cannot wait to get back to you, but I must leave first, so 2 seconds for you, many for me. Wow, it's dark in here now. 1 second. That's better. Hello again. As you can tell, I am now in a Pusheen onesie, and while it is very cute, it is unfortunately not a good sign because the thing that I had to do with the bank, I went, and I have to go at least one more time. Hopefully only one more time. I really hope, because it is like a 3-4 hour round trip drive. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, the city overwhelms me. It's why I live in the middle of the woods like a little hermit lady. I'm over it. Just wholeheartedly, I'm over it. I know that tonight I'm gonna watch a lot of Ask a Mortician because it reminds me of my best friend who is a mortician, and it's like having her there telling me stories, which is lovely, but I am not feeling it. And first, I won't lie, I was really beating myself up and really embarrassed because I'm like, it's like, what, day 5, and I have now, it's gonna be what, 2 days in a row of just not happy, like, you know, that like annoying gremlin that's in the back of your head that just doesn't shut up. It was starting to talk, and thankfully I remembered a video that I saw by the marvelous Kathy Hay, which is just half-assed is better than no-assed. So while I wanted to dye my hair and I wanted to make like cookies and do all this fun stuff with you guys, I'm gonna make the vlog that I can make, and we're gonna go and we're gonna love what we got, and it's gonna be positive, and we're gonna start with the other thing that Kathy Hay makes me think of, which is sewing, because I realized I never gave you guys an update on how the shirt's going. So, got the bottom hemmed, I have buttons and buttonholes, all 4. I'm very happy about this. I was hoping to have it done like that next day, like I was saying. Famous last words were not the buttonholes, the straps. Just the fabric frayed way too much, and then I kept doing them wrong because I was too tired, so I just kept messing it up because I kept just going, but I can almost finish, I'm so close. No, instead I just kept messing up. So I have a ribbon, I have a plan, I just need to get some time to sew on my hands, and that will hopefully be tomorrow, because I either have to go back to the bank tomorrow or Monday. We'll see which I can handle. But the other thing that I decided I would do for this vlog is something that sounds very silly to me, and possibly silly to the screaming cat. Hold on, let's check in with her. Ma'am, you have been screaming since I got home. Can I help you? Is there a thing that can be done for you, or are you just a auditory stimulation that we must all deal with? Okay. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, there's something weird that I've decided I'm going to do for this vlog because I can. So join me while I haul what I got from Sonic for dinner, because I'm over life. I wasn't gonna cook. I've done so much being in a car. Can I just say, having chatty cats is not ideal for a person with autism. I love them so much. But she's just screaming though. She's just screaming. It doesn't even have a purpose. Okay, anyway, I have peanut butter Oreo shake because I love myself. I have pretzel stick. Boom. Guess what? That's not it, because I have another pretzel stick. I have 2 pretzel sticks, which means I have 2 cheese cups, which means 2 cheese cups and a milkshake, and that sounds lovely, but guess what? That's not all. I also have a corn dog. Very excited about this. I am so tired. This is a very, very raw, real version of me. Let's get back to better lighting. My goal was to film a little more after the Sonic haul, but I'm gonna be honest, Goose is kind of making my head just want to explode. So I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna go to bed. I appreciate you. Thank you for letting me be your adequate acquaintance, and I will hopefully see you for more adequate activities tomorrow. I promise to make tomorrow cool. I don't know how yet, but stay tuned. As an aside, this jerk is done screaming now, apparently. Like, I just wrapped up. She's now done screaming. I'm not amused. See you tomorrow.